What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something absolutely insane. I've been hearing a lot about people making crazy, life-changing money. So instead of just talking, let's actually test it. We're diving deep into 5 side hustles people across America are using in order to make up to $500 a day in 2025. That's over $15,000 a month. Can you imagine what you'd do with that cash? Most people think these are scams or too hard, but I found some that are real and blowing up. These aren't your typical delivery app gigs. We're talking cutting-edge, high-impact opportunities. Anyone with a laptop and drive can start. I'll break down each one step by step. What to earn, what you need, and the secrets to win. I want to see if a regular person can pull this off, so we're putting them to the test. This might be the most valuable video I've ever made. Stick around for a massive bonus that could kickstart your $500 day. Grab a drink, get comfortable, because we're about to change some lives. Let's get into it. First up, freelance AI consulting. Sounds scary, like you need an MIT PhD, right? You don't need to build Skynet in your garage. Use simple AI tools to solve real business problems. They pay big for outcomes. From coffee shops to corporations, everyone is racing to use AI. They're scared of being left behind. You become the guide. Set up a 24/7 chatbot so staff can focus on higher value work. Automate 100 ad variations in minutes. Most owners don't have time to learn ChatGPT, image gen, or automation. They just want results. Many pay $100, $200, even $300 an hour for setup. Don't learn everything. Pick one tool and master it. Spend a weekend mastering a social content automation tool. Build a mini portfolio that proves it works. Show a local restaurant a month of posts made in 30 minutes. Reach out on LinkedIn, Upwork, or in person with a 15-minute results demo. Sell outcomes, not AI consulting. A $1,000 setup in 10 hours is $100 HR. One per week meow, $4,000 month. Bigger workflows pay thousands. Be specific. I triple realtor leads with AI. Specialists crush it daily. One tiny corner, big income. You can sell shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, without touching inventory. No warehouse, no packing, no mail runs. Design, upload, connected store, pod prints and ships. You profit. Sarah buys, the order goes straight to the pod partner. They print, pack, and ship. You just made money. $30 minus $15 cost equals $15 profit per shirt. 10 sales in a day, $150 profit, hands off. About 34 shirts gets you to $500 a day. Secret, publish hundreds or thousands of designs. 500 designs selling once a week, thousands, daily momentum. You don't need to be a pro designer. Use Canva or AI. Type a prompt, generate art, make 50 designs in an hour. Pick passionate niches. Targeted buyers share more. Run simple interest-based ads. Also post short videos and pins. A 10-second clip can go viral. Case study, meme tease, $1,000 first month, 6 figures later. Action, pick a niche you care about. Open Printify, Printful, browse products. Make your first design, upload a mock-up, hit publish. Take the first small step, momentum follows. Remote digital marketing is in crazy demand and highly flexible. Every business needs online customers. Most owners are too busy to do it right. You become their marketing superhero. Offer social media management, mind your Facebook, Google ads, on your SEO. Pick one and crush it. Love TikTok? Be a TikTok manager for restaurants. Charge $1,000 a month for 3 short videos a week. 5 clients, clients $5,000 a month, past $500 a day. Find 10 local businesses with weak socials. Make a week of posts for 1, free. Write captions and research hashtags. Email the samples. Show, don't tell. At least one will hire you. Running ads pays more, 1.5K to 5K retainers plus % of spend. If $1 turns into $3, you're invaluable. Case, student offers free month, client covers at spend, gets 15 high-value patients, closes $2,000 molars, then scales nationwide. Too busy? Hire help. You've just built an agency. Action step, pick one skill, socials, ads, or SEO, and start today. Everyone watching this can do this. Online course creation. You are an expert in something. Bake sourdough, train a puppy, master Excel. Play guitar, teach it, record once, sell thousands of times. Marketplaces bring students but take a cut. Platforms keep margin, but you market. Start tiny. A 1-hour course, 10 short lessons. You just need a smartphone and basic editing. People care about clear info, not fancy studios. Price at $50, 10 sales a day, so $500 a day, a true 24/7 digital asset. Real example, 50K students at $99, do the math. Ask, what do people ask me for? What's hard at my job? What hobby do I love? Search existing courses, read reviews, spot gaps. Don't fear, not expert enough. You only need to be a few steps ahead. Action, write 5 skills, pick 1, outline 10 bite-sized lessons, stop consuming, start creating. Make TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. Be the creator, not just the consumer. You don't need a studio, just your phone and a plan. New accounts can go viral overnight. Creator funds pay per view. Small, but adds up at scale. Brand deals pay more. Even small niches can land $1,000 spots. Big creators charge 5 figures per video. Best of all, sell your own courses or teas. Content becomes your engine. Pick a niche and post daily. Consistency wins. Any topic works if you stick to it. One creator cleans rugs. Millions of followers paid by brands. Simple formats work. Don't overthink. Film and edit in under 30 minutes. Combine streams and you blow past $500 a day. Your action step, pick a niche and post your first video today. It's okay if it's rough and gets 10 views. Break the seal. Open the app, hit plus, and start. And that's a wrap. 5 powerful hustles that can get you to $500 a day in 2025. From AI consulting to selling shirts in your sleep to going viral. None of this happens overnight, but it's 100% possible. Pick one, focus, start today. If this helped, demolish the like button and subscribe for more. Comment which hustle you're starting. I'll reply to as many as I can. Your free starter guide is linked at the top of the description. It includes checklists, resource links, and a step-by-step plan. Click it, download it, use it. Stop dreaming, start doing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.